Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start with third lecture of career skills reasoning portion, and we'll be studying second topic before the midterms, that is coding and decoding. It is a bit of similar than the first topic which we studied was series. The knowledge of series will help us to code and decode few questions. There will be questions given and you have to check how they are coded, and on the basis of their code you have to code some other letter or the words given. There could be multiple types of questions in coding and decoding. The first type of question in coding and decoding could be type 1, coding by letter shifting. Now letter shifting could be like we studied in series, letter should be of 1 letter shift, 2 letter shift, 3 letter shift, 4 letter shift. It could be any. It could be series letter shift also, like first letter is shifted by 1, second letter is shifted by 2, third letter is shifted by 3. Now here what we can see is G is shifted by 1, this O and this another O is shifted by 1, again D is shifted by 1. In each case there is plus 1 letter is there, plus 1 letter is there. So now they are asking how will you code bold. If I write bold, next letter than bold is C, after O it is P, after L it is M, after D it is E. The code for bold will be CPME. This is a type 1 question in which it is coded by letter shifting. Type 2 is coding by analogy. In this, there will be no specific series or letter shifting being formed. Every letter will have its specific code. Like in this, blade is coded as RPTFA, or RPTFA stands for blade. These both are the same statements. Now, what we see is that BALE has all the same letters which is in blade. So we will specifically use the same letters of BALE which are in blade to code BALE. Now for this, B stands for R, because in blade first B is for R, then A stands for T, then L stands for P, and then E stands for A. So this code for BALE will be RTPA. This is type 2. Next, in type 3, coding by reversing letters. Now in this, there could be straight reversal as well. There could be reversal in groups as well. For example, they have given that this word temperature is coded as ERUTAREPMET. If we clearly see that they have just reversed all the letters and coded them. But there could be questions in which they might be reversing the letters in groups. Like they reversed first 3, then next 3, then next 3, then next 3. Or they could be reversing them in the groups of 4. Similarly, if we see that what could be the code of education. Code of education should be NOITACUD and E. This is just same reversal of all the letters. So this is type 3. Type 4 is coding in fictional language. In this type 4, we code every word as differently. Like for an example, we make our own language in which we code every word as differently. For an example, I start writing red as blue, blue as black, black as orange, orange as green, green as white, and white as purple, anything like that. The color does not change, but the coding changes. In this, this over will not be there, it will be and. First of all, now they have written as in the certain code over and above is coded as or written as DAPA, DAPA, but not necessarily in the same order. It does not mean that over is DA and is PA and above is TA. It is not necessary. Similarly, old and beautiful is written as SA, NA and PA. This. Now, what we see in common, this and is common in both. And if there is a coded language, and will be coded as same in both the statements. We found common is PA. Now they are asking how is and written in that code language. So and it will be written as PA in that code language. It is coding in fictional languages. There could be few more questions in such category where there could be 3, 4, 5 statements given and you need to find multiple questions on that. After this, type 5. Type 5 is coding based on numbers or symbols. Here we directly code the letters of alphabetical letters to some numbers or codes or symbols. Here for an example, it is given that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I are coded as 1, 2, 3, 4 in the sequential manner. It could be like coding could be done like B is coded as star, C is coded as dollar, D is coded as hash, E is coded as hyphen, F is coded as backslash. It could be numbers or it could be symbols, not necessarily in the order, not necessarily in the increasing order or decreasing order. And they are asking for the code of AE, ECD. We can clearly write that AECD could be 1, E is coded as 5, so 5, 5, C is coded as 3 and D is coded as 4. The wanted code is 15534. This is coding based on numbers or symbols. Flat question, just see the coding and done. Type 6 and the last one. In this, mathematical operations with the position of numbers of letters. Now in such there could be mathematical operations. It could be multiplication also. It could be division, sum also. It could be difference, but difference is in very rare case. Usually it is sum or multiplication. For such type of questions, you should know that from A to Z, the series like A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, and in the reverse manner also. If I start counting from Z in the reverse manner, Z is 1, Y is 2 in the reverse. Similarly, A will be 26. So in this case, for the tail word, TALE, T is the 20th letter in the alphabets. Then A is the first one. Then L is the 12th one, I guess, and E is the 5th one. The sum of all these comes out to be 38. Then how we will code came using the same code. For the code came, C is coded as 3, A is coded as 1, M will be coded as 13 and E will be coded as 5. So in the same code, came will be coded as 22. The correct answer is 22. After this, I'll be uploading a practice sheet for coding and decoding. We'll be giving you 3-4 days of time to practice that sheet. There will be approximately 30 questions in that. Practice that sheet. Then after that, I'll be uploading the answers and explanation of all those 30 questions. Along with this, let's practice few questions. Now in this one, if EODGH is the code for blade, what is the code for cricket? What we can say is that blade is coded as this, and there is a letter shifting of, I guess, 3 letters. B is coded as E, L is coded as O. It means they are shifting 3 letters ahead. What could be the code for cricket? Cricket could be coded as like C D E F. For R it could be S T U. I could be J K L. C it could be again F N. E could be H W. This should be the code for cricket. Next question. In the given code, sister is coded as 535301 and uncle is coded as 84670 and boy is coded as 129. How is rustic coded? It is a type 2 question in which the coding is done as by numbers or analogy. Coding is by analogy. These are the 6 letters we want. If we see that R could be found in the word sister, it is 1. U is found in uncle, 8. S is found in again in sister, that was 5. T is found in again sister, 3. I is in sister, again 3. And C is found in uncle, 6. Now you might be thinking that T and I, this from T and I are coded as same. If we come to know that there are 26 alphabets and only 10 numbers from 0 to 9, there could be a repetition also, but we have to straight away see what is given. We should code in the same manner. So the code for rustic will be 185336. Next one. In a certain code, courage is written as UOCREGA, and how will be general written in the same code? Now it is like somewhat reversal of digits, and what I could say is it is not complete reversal. It is reversal of COU, reversal of age, and the center one remains at the same place. So for this one it could be U O J R L A N. This should be the code for journal in the same coding language. Now in this POKI top MA means Usha is playing cards. Then KOPJKI MA means Asha is playing tennis. Similarly, KI top SOP HO means they are playing football. And similarly, few more POSUR KOP means cards and tennis. Which word in that language means Asha? If we say that, see that what is common in the first two sentences, is playing is common, means what we could get is KI and MA are common. What is playing we don't know currently, but KI and MA is for sure is playing. What we need to remove further? Tennis. Cards and tennis means POSUR KOP, and in this we are having KOP and KOP common. So this KOP means tennis. So the only thing left is JA. So Asha means JA. Asha is coded as JA in the same language. This is coding by fictional language. This is how we solve coding by fictional language. Next, if Rose is coded as 6821, chair is coded as 73456, and preach is coded as 961473, what will be the code for search? It is same by coding by analogy. We'll be coding for search, that is 2 1 4 6 7 3. It should be coded this. S is coded as 2, E is coded as 1, A is coded as 4, E is coded as, then it is R is coded as 6, and CH from here, this is coded as 7-3. Got it? Next question. Now this is how we get some coding by I said in numbers or fictional symbols, numbers or symbols one. In this they have coded alphabets as symbols, not as numbers now, but not necessarily in the same order. It could be in the same order as well, but not very necessarily. In a certain code, BODE is written as this alpha, dollar, star and question mark, and it is written as question mark. So it is the question of series 1 only, because we get as the last E as question mark and here E as starting. So what they are asking is, how can debate be written? Do we get all the letters of debate from the board and eat? Yes, we have it. So debate can be written as, starting will be star, E is written as question mark, B is written as alpha, A is written as dot, then T is pound, and E is written as again question mark. Do we have the same option? Option B is correct. Similarly, I'll be giving you another sheet as well. Do practice that sheet, and thank you for the day.